Namaskar viewers and welcome back to Ajayastro Maniguru. I'm your host Neena, and today we're diving deep into the latest developments in the turmeric market. If you're looking for timely updates and insightful analysis on commodities, you've come to the right place. So let's get straight to it. In our latest update as of April 17, 2025, we've observed a notable strengthening of turmeric prices across key spot markets. Gains ranged from a solid 100 rupees to an impressive 400 rupees per quintal. This upward momentum is primarily being fueled by tighter supplies in the market and buying activity driven by immediate needs. Furthermore, the underlying sentiment remains firm, largely due to expectations of lower overall turmeric output this season. Let's break down the market specifics. Total arrivals of turmeric bags saw a significant drop, coming down to 47,238 bags, compared to 65,770 in the previous session. This reduction in supply is naturally putting upward pressure on prices across major trading centers. Interestingly, in Sangli, the cumulative arrivals for the entire season have only reached 7 lakh bags, which is noticeably lower than last year's 7.2 lakh bags. This reinforces the concerns surrounding potential production shortfalls. We witnessed particularly sharp gains in Kesamudram and Sangli, with prices jumping by 500 rupees to 1000 rupees per quintal. Nizamabad, Kadapa and Hingoli also reported firm price trends. However, it wasn't a uniform picture across all markets. Erode experienced a slight dip of 100 rupees to 200 rupees. This was attributed to weaker buying interest despite the lower arrival numbers in that region. Now let's talk about trading activity. Overall, trade remained largely need-based, indicating that buyers are exercising caution at these elevated price levels. While strong export performance in recent months has generally supported positive sentiment, the latest official data, showing a 12.2% year-on-year increase in January exports to 11,770 tons, might not be the direct driver of these immediate price hikes. Looking at the bigger export picture, cumulative exports from April 2024 to January 2025 have risen by a healthy 13% to reach 1.49 lakh tons. This growth has been largely propelled by increased demand from countries like Bangladesh and Morocco. Turning our attention to the futures market on the NCDEX, we saw significant gains in turmeric contracts. The April contract witnessed a sharp surge of 4% of 590 rupees, closing at 15,440 rupees. This was likely fueled by short covering related to the contract's expiry, coupled with a decrease of 110 lots in open interest. The May futures also saw a strong upward movement, rising by 3.0% or 442 rupees, to settle at 15,390 rupees. This was supported by the creation of fresh long positions, as indicated by a 385 lot increase in open interest. On the spot benchmark front, prices remained firm. Nizamabad polished was quoted at 14,740 rupees, the unpolished variety at 13,848 rupees, and Sangli Rajapur held steady at 16,000 rupees. That's all for today's turmeric market analysis. I hope you found this update informative. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to Ajayastro Maniguru for more timely commodity analysis. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more insightful analysis. Namaste.